friend and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with a unit from Outre's Lace Front collection. This one is going to be in the style Kelsee and it's in the color DRFF Lavender Galaxy. So here's what the stock card for her is looking like. And this one is going to be available in 7 special colors. Now because this is a lace front, you're just going to get that defined parting, and it's going to be a right side part. You're going to get that 5-inch deep HD lace parting space. You're going to get 2 combs that are right in the front. You're going to get a comb in the back as well as your adjustable straps and an adjustable elastic band. And this one was made on a ventilated wig cap. So first I'm just going to go in with my Juvia's foundation. This is in the color Kano. I'm just going to go ahead and apply that on the underside of the lace. The stock card does say that this one can be worn glueless and it is also heat safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It does come with baby hairs and it says that it's pre-plucked as well. And honestly, you guys, when it comes to this wig, my expectations on it weren't too crazy. I specifically bought it just because I feel like this color is beautiful and I wanted to see how it would look in person. I'm not going to be judging it too harshly just because I feel like when it comes to the lace front collection, you kind of get what you get. There's not too much maneuvering you can do to like make it appear supernatural like the way you can get it with a frontal. So that's what it's looking like after I tinted that lace, and now I'm just going to slap this bad boy on a wig head and show you guys what it's looking like. So you guys, I really don't tend to do too many lace fronts just because I feel like they lack the versatility that I'm looking for. But for this, I specifically wanted to get it just because I feel like this color combination is absolutely beautiful. I like that it has the peaks of that lighter purple color, the darker purple, and the medium purple. And here I'm just showing you guys the hairline. Like I said, they do say it's pre-plucked and that it comes with baby hairs. Honey, this is not really pre-plucked. I feel like you can't really do much when it comes to a lace front because doesn't leave you too much wiggle room to try to customize it to your liking and get that real scalp feel. So that's just something to keep in mind. Like I said though, I just picked this one up specifically because I feel like this color was absolutely beautiful, so I just wanted to see how it was going to look in person. So after I'm done pinning the hair back, I'm just going to grab my embroidering scissors and start cutting slits in this lace to make it easier for myself or when I go in with my serrated pinking shears and just cut the remainder of the lace off. And I'm sure you guys are probably seeing here what I mean when I said they said it was pre-plucked, honey, but like barely. Like look at this. Look at this. I feel like this is definitely one that you're gonna be grabbing more so for the color, not for like a great hairline, if that makes sense. And of course you can go in and try to pluck it out a little bit, but for me, I felt like it wasn't really worth it. There's not really too much that I could do to achieve the look that I was going for. So now I'm just going in, cutting the lace off with my serrated pinking shears. And there's just something about specific lace fronts, you guys. I know there are some out there that are able to kind of give you more of a realistic look, like for instance Outre's Melted Hairline collection, or like even the Sensational Butter Lace collection, but I don't know, I just feel like it can be Russian roulette when it comes to trying to get a lace front wig that looks super realistic. And then also when you do, like for me, when I've grabbed ones from the Outre Melted Hairline collection and from the Sensational Butter Lace collection, there's no consistency with the cap size. So sometimes the caps are super tight, sometimes they're super loose. It just feels like playing Russian roulette. So that's why I'm not a super big fan of lace fronts when it comes to having just a standalone lace front versus any sort of frontal or even like a 5x5, a 6x6. I just feel like it's so much harder to make lace fronts look as realistic as you can get when it comes to a frontal. So as far as the cap size on this one, you guys, my head is about 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference. I did adjust the adjustable elastic band pretty much as tight as it can go. I'm not gonna say that this one is big head friendly. I'm gonna say this one is small and medium head friendly. As you can kind of see here, I'm kind of grabbing a little bit, but a little bit of slippage going on. So I feel like if your head is any bit smaller than mine, you absolutely probably can't get away with wearing this one glueless. But if your head is my size or bigger, absolutely use caution when it comes to this wig. And right here, I'm just going to apply a little bit of that concealer around the perimeter of the lace to just go ahead and blend it in some more. As far as the texture on this one, you guys, I do actually like the texture on this one. Because it is a colored unit, I did expect it to be way much more on the silkier side, but I was honestly impressed with the texture of this one. It's very much yaki, which is always what I'm going for. I'm not sure if you're seeing that on camera, but you do see a bit of the crinkles in there. And even the purple pieces themselves, those were yucky as well. I thought that those were gonna lean more towards silky, so I absolutely do like the texture of this unit. And as far as the density on this one, you guys, the density is really nice. It's nice and full. It's not overwhelmingly thick, but it's definitely not leaning towards that like supernatural 120% density vibe. It's leaning much closer to between like 150 to 160% density, which I really liked. The length on this one is going to be 22 inches, so it's definitely going to be on the longer side as well. Now, as far as any tangling and shedding, yep, I did get tangling, I did get shedding. It wasn't anything too excessive, but definitely something to note. You're gonna get tangling, you're gonna get shedding with this one. One of the things I did like about it is these curls I feel like are really, really pretty, and I do like the fact that they did go ahead and pre-cut some layers in there. Like you can see on the right side of my face how the layers are kind of cut shorter to give you that face premium effect, so I did like that. But I do wish on the opposite side they went and cut the layers to the same length to kind of just give it that symmetry. So let me just jump into the cons and pros of this unit. So my first con is absolutely going to be the cap size. Just like I said, it is fitting me tight. I feel like this is one that I wouldn't feel comfortable going outside with unless it was adhered down, and I do not like wearing wigs where the only way for me to get away with wearing it is if it's adhered down, because I'm not trying to be dealing with anything slipping and sliding back. Like that is not my vibe at all, so I absolutely am not a fan of the fact that the cap size is so small. I feel like there's not really too much customization that you can make. So those are probably going to be the main cons that I have when it comes to this unit. As far as my pros, I absolutely love the texture, you guys. I love the curls. I love the density. The color is absolutely beautiful. Would I pick this one up again? Absolutely not. Just like I told you guys, I picked it up for the color, and the color was doing what it was supposed to be doing. So if you're looking for a wig that has a beautiful, stunning color and you don't have any other expectations outside of that, I feel like this could be your vibe. But if you're looking for anything other than that, then I think you would be disappointed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units where I'm gonna pick up an ideal color, honey. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.